In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to host a meeting in Cisco Webex. By the end, you'll feel confident scheduling, starting, and managing your session like a pro. First, open the Webex app on your computer. Once you're in, look for the Meetings tab. This is your hub for everything related to scheduling and managing sessions, and it also shows your upcoming calendar so you can keep track of what's next. To set up a new session, select Schedule a Meeting. A setup window will appear. Give your meeting a clear, descriptive topic so attendees immediately know what it's about. Then set the date, start time, and duration, and double-check the time zone. If your participants are in different regions, confirming the time zone here will save a lot of confusion later. You'll also be prompted to choose the meeting link. Many hosts use a personal room link for quick, repeatable access, while others prefer a unique, one-time link for added control. Add a brief description to outline the agenda or objectives, and add your invitees so they receive the invitation and join details. When everything looks good, click Schedule. Your meeting will now appear in your calendar. When it's time to begin, go to the Calendar section, select your meeting, and click Start. It's a good idea to join a minute or two early to check your settings and greet early arrivals. Before entering, you'll see options to toggle your microphone and camera. Make sure your audio is clear and your camera framing is tidy. You can also choose a virtual background if you want added privacy or a more professional look. Pick something subtle and well-lit so it doesn't distract. Once you're in the meeting, click the Share button to present. You can share your entire screen, a specific application window, or a digital whiteboard if you want to sketch ideas together. If you only need one app, sharing that window helps keep notifications and unrelated content out of view. If you want to capture the session, select the Record button. Let attendees know you're recording, and after the meeting ends, you'll find the file in the Recordings tab of your User Hub, ready to review or share. To manage participants, open the participant list. Right-click a name to mute or unmute, assign someone as the presenter so they can share, or remove a participant if needed. Use these controls thoughtfully to keep the meeting focused and on track. That's it. You've scheduled, started, shared, recorded, and managed a Webex meeting from start to finish. Thanks for watching and happy hosting.